Hey there, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will take care of the problem number 8 of the project Euler, which is largest product in a series. Let's first read the problem. The 4 adjacent digits in the 1000 digit number that have the greatest product are 9, 9, 8 and 9, which is 5832. This is the 1000 digit number here. Find the 13 adjacent digits in the 1000 digit number that have the greatest product. What is the value of this product? So what we are going to do is that we will loop through these digits starting from the index 0, find the first 13 values, for example this, then calculate the product, compare it to the max, which at this point is the max product at the beginning, for example it's 0, then go through the next one, then go through the next one, and so forth until we reach the end, which actually, for example, we cannot go through here. We should come to something like here. Let's assume this is 13 digits. So, and calculate the product and compare it to the max product. So first, let's copy the string input. So we say str input is this one. Okay, now let's convert all of these values to digits. So digits are to integers. Int, like int char, for example, for char in str input. I believe that should be it. Let's print digits and run it. So we have a problem here, is that our string includes new line characters. So what we are going to do is that here we will say a split, which will split by white spaces, including the \n, which is for new line. Then we will actually join them together again by empty string. So this will do the trick. Yeah. Now we have the digits as integers. So far so good. So we need 13 digits, right? We are going to use this, write this script in a more modular way. For example, if we decide later on to change the count, we just change it here. We have a variable and change the value here. Anyway, so max product so far is 0. Now we need a for loop which starts from the index 0, going 13 digits until we reach the end here. But for example, we cannot come here because it's not 13 digits. We need to find the correct last index. So we need for I in range of length of digits. We know it's 1000, but anyway, as I said, we need to write this in a modular way. Minus, so we are calculating where to end the for loop, minus the, I would say, count -1. Why -1? Because the range function, the last index that we give it, when we are passing it only one argument, it means we are giving it the last index and it's exclusive. So we know that at the end we need 13 digits, but we will give the index of the last index, which will give us 12 numbers, but because it's exclusive and in our for loop we will not go into that one. Anyway, so I would say product is reduce function, it means that we can actually, for example, we have a list. We want to change them. I mean, multiply all the values into multiply all the values in the list and come up with only one integer, one result. So this is how we use the reduce function. Actually, it should be I think function tools that reduce. That's it. So we will say if we have x and y, multiply x and y, and we will give the source, which is digits starting from I and going to I plus count. And max product here is the maximum of max product itself and the new product. And now if we print max product, we will get our answer, which is this value. You can go and test it for yourself. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.